Ensemble Temporum asked if any of the students wanted to create a piece for their tour, and I got the opportunity, which was fantastic. I've written during the summer a piece called En blick går över i en annan, and today we worked on different nuances and the particularities of the piece.
Ni var ganska nära, men jag skulle nog säga inte så mycket pix.
My name is Love Karbin, and I'm a composer, and I work with experimental acoustic music. I discovered Björk, the artist, and wanted to be like her. That led me to wanting to be a composer.
Composers nowadays in the contemporary music field, they have often several roles. You might compose, but you might also construct your own instruments or objects, for example. My name is Malin Bong, and I teach at the program of experimental composition and creation. And I'm also a composer in the experimental field for live performers. In the beginning, they all get to analyze their artistic field, and then onwards from there, core weeks where we all gather and they present their processes. There are also lab weeks where you can have material that you want to try out with the whole class.
It's great studying here. Different ideas about music is encouraged, and quite radical or experimental practices are discussed, and we have lots of great seminars and guest teachers.
The most unique about this program, I think, is the stylistic and genre-wise diversity, because we really have everything from gender-focused conceptual pop to audiovisual electronic composition, chamber and orchestral composers and sound artists. My name is Palle Dahlstedt, and I'm one of the composition teachers at the ECC program. And my specialty is electronic music, but I'm also quite deeply into the topic of AI and artistic creativity.
We are 3 main teachers, and we also invite each year several guest composers.
The teachers as a faculty are very inspiring, and their work has really inspired me personally. If you're interested in sound, experiments and new ways of thinking about sound, then I think this could be a right place for you.